says that ut equals to uxx. This is our heat equation where x belongs to in this range and t greater than 0. T is nothing but time, representing the time, and x representing the x direction, say this direction. Okay, fine. And two conditions are given. This is given as initial condition, which says that ux0 equals to sine pi x, and these are boundary condition. That means at x equal to 0 and x equals to 1, the value of that function uxt, it is going to be 0. Okay, fine. Now the thing is, we need to solve this question and need to find the value of ux comma this. What will be the value of this one? This is our duty in this problem. Let's try it. Basically uxt, this is our general solution, and this will be if we use property of superposition principle, which says that this is going to be property of superposition. Okay, some function of x and some function of t, multiply them along with some constant, and those constant will be in terms of n, and put a summation where n runs from 0 to infinity. Now the solution, if you use the separation variable technique, you will get that your solution uxt, it is going to be, say, a cos lambda x plus b sin lambda x to e to the power minus lambda squared t. N runs from 0 to infinity. Now the next job is to determine the relation between lambda and n, so that we can explicitly use this property of superposition principle here. For that purpose, we'll use the conditions given to us in the problem. First of all, use u0t equals to 0. That will give you, look at the expression involving x, this part. If you use x equals to 0, that part will vanish. Only remaining term is this. That means a into cos 0, that is nothing but a, plus b into 0, that is equal with 0. That is a equals to 0 you are getting. So uxt, it reduces to this sort of thing, b sin lambda x e to the power minus lambda squared t. Still the summation is over n equals to 0 to infinity. Fine. Now we will use the second condition. That means this condition, that is u1t equals to 0. Again, this part is the part consisting of x. So b sin lambda into 1 equals to 0. To get the non-trivial solution, you must have sin lambda equals to 0, that is lambda equals to n pi. This is the relation between lambda and n, what we were looking for. Finally, we are in a state to express this one uxt in terms of n, or more explicitly, that is uxt, it is summation. Here we can easily enumerate it, and that will come as bn star, and the rest of the things will be lambda. In place of lambda, we are going to use n pi to x, here e to the power minus n square pi square to t. Obviously, for n equals to 0, you can get the flavor that this total term vanishes. After that, you will get n equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on so forth. So summation will be from n equals to 1 to infinity. So this is the whole expression for your uxt. Now the thing is, you need to use this one to get your answer properly. So use it, ux0. That means from here you will get summation bn star sin n pi x, and this is nothing but sine pi x. It is given in the question. So b1 star sine pi x plus b2 star sine 2 pi x and b3 star sine 3 pi x, so on so forth. Fine. Just compare all the coefficients. Immediately you are getting that b1 equals to 1, and rest of the terms involving b2 star, b3 star and so on, these are all equal with 0. So finally this expression, it is nothing but only the existing term is b1 star, and you have sine for n equals to 1, you will get your non-zero term. So finally this is the scenario of your general solution. This is the ultimate form you are getting, and now the thing is to find ux 1 by pi square. So you have sine, so it is minus 1. That means from the options you got your second option as the correct option. Okay, I think you got the flavor of superposition principle in heat equation. If you have any question, query, then go to the comment section and drop a comment. Thank you for your time, and share the video with your friends.